Did you know that one of history's most evil men spoke about mass murder like he was discussing train schedules? In 1961, Adolf Eichmann sat in a bulletproof glass booth in Jerusalem. This man had organized the trains that carried millions to their deaths during the Holocaust. Now he was on trial for his crimes. What shocked the world wasn't just what he had done, it was how he talked about it. Eichmann spoke in a calm, boring voice. He used charts and numbers. He explained how he made the trains run on time, how he calculated how many people could fit in each car, how he organized the schedules for maximum efficiency. He showed zero emotion, zero guilt. To him, it was just paperwork and logistics. The prosecutor asked him about the millions who died. Eichmann shrugged. He was just following orders, just doing his job well. This trial revealed something terrifying. Evil doesn't always look like a monster. Sometimes it looks like a man in a suit, proud of his efficient filing system.